Seen loads of videos on YouTube where they're doing this kind of work and they show you on painting nice preservatives on the timber once it's in place. So how to do that? How are you going to conserve it underneath the timber? You can't. It's got to be done before you put it in place. So what I do is I spray one side and spray the underside as well, so when it goes in the top side is showing and this side is bare. So I'm not going on my hands, but I'm completely covering the timber, and also make sure the ends are sprayed as well. Something else they can't do if they're putting it in, if they're spraying it or painting it once it's in place. How are you going to conserve the ends? You can't. It's advised to do it at this stage. It's a bit more tedious and time consuming, but that's life. Once I've got it in place, I use these things to hold it in place before nailing. These nail guns are great. He's put 90s in, 90mm nails in. The compressor I've got is a tiny bit on the small side. You could do with it's 24 litres. I'd recommend you get 35 or 40 or 55 litre compressor, because this runs out of air and the last nail doesn't go in all the way. So I have to wait for it to regain pressure before I can continue. But you'll see that in a second. Maybe. Unfortunately the camera just fell over and snapped my blooming USB cable, but anyway, we'll continue on.